Hi guys, I've never taken a video before of a tutorial of any sort, so I just want you to do a quick breakdown of what it is. This is basically straight in Lightroom. That's the image straight out of the camera, an ISO of 800, 93 seconds at f5.6, and that's the settings there as they are straight out of the camera. Nothing's changed. Anything I've put on there is the lens correction profile. And then I went from that to this edit in Lightroom. With those settings here, you can see the noise reduction up there, the detail and the contrast. And I haven't used tone curves. I tend not to use tone curves quite a bit for some reason, I don't know why. But just the main settings here are the bring up the clarity and the dehaze, which if I show you, if I bump it up, it darkens the image quite a bit. So I'm going to go back to how it was. There. I tend to bring up the shadows again. If you go down, you're going to darken it. So I'll bring it up to how they were. Oh, no I haven't, I'll reset them. There we go. That's how it was, and you can see here, there's a lot of stars in image, which I wanted to get rid of. And I do that in Photoshop, which again I'll show you, but also here you'll see I've got a radio filter there with those settings on, which just adjust local adjustments of this area here. That basically brings out all the colours and the details within the Milky Way itself. And I did do another one here with gradiated filter over this side, just to get rid of light pollution that was there, which if I go back to this one, you can see here all this light pollution there. You can see the Milky Way there, but obviously the details aren't in it. So there you go, I've gone to this one. I will maybe do a workflow, but I haven't done that in this one. I've also left in the details here, as you can see, of a star trail. It's probably a satellite or a plane. I think it was a satellite, if I remember rightly. One there, which you'll see in this image, which is the final image, just there and there. And you can see that I've got rid of all the stars now, and I did this in Photoshop by using different effects and filters, which is basically called star reduction, and it got rid of those stars. But you'll go back to this one, you will see all the stars in that and there, and it's brought out a bit more colour and a lot smoother in this sort of area here. So yeah, basically that is it, and let's go from there.